welcome to the Wisdom Era online classes. Myself Nagvini. I am taking the subject English for grade 4. Yes, my dear students, it is a first poem of your English subject, that is A Beautiful Day. Here, A Beautiful Day is one of the A Beautiful poem. It was written by the author, famous poet, that is William Wordsworth. Yes, here it is a little introduction about the poet William Wordsworth. Yes, William Wordsworth was born in 1770 and he was died on 1850. He is one of the greatest English priests and he is called the high priest of nature and a nature poet. Yes, that does not mean that he wrote only a subject concerned with nature, and he is a much poet of nature as of humans. And in the poem A Beautiful Day lies written by the William Wordsworth during the month of March, after the winter season. After the winter season, which season will come? Yes, it is the summer season. In the summer season, William Wordsworth wrote these poems. Yes, let us start the poem. Yes, first I will read out the poem. Follow with me. The cock is crowing, the stream is flowing. The small birds twitter, the lake doth glitter. The green field sleeps in the sun, the oldest and youngest are at work with the strongest. The cattle are grazing, their heads never rising. There are 40 feeding like one. Yes, this is the first stanza. The first stanza consists of 10 lines. Yes, here. The cock is crowing, the stream is flowing. It means that the cock is crowing. The cock is crowing indicates that the day begins with the sound of the cock and rising the new day with the sound of cock and continue stream is flowing. Next, the small birds twitter, the lake doth glitter. Yes, here the small birds twitter. Small birds twitter means that birds chirp around. The birds make the sound. And the lake doth glitter. Here the lake doth means small river, and doth means it is an old English word for does. Old English word for does. The lake doth glitter. Here glitter means shine or sparkle. Here the lake shine like a sun and moves over the green fields. Next, the green field sleeps in the sun. The oldest and youngest are at work with the strongest. Yes, see here, the oldest and youngest. The oldest and youngest means here the strongest and oldest persons are their age and seems to be working with the great concentration. The oldest and youngest peoples are working in the field with the greatest concentration. And the cattle are grazing. Their heads never rising. Means the cattle are grazing. Grazing means eating grass by cattle. Here the cattle are eating the grass in the field. Their heads never rising. Yes, the heads never rising means the cattle rise look like one rather than group of 40 cattle. Here there is a cattle that is look like a one in the group of 40 cattle. Next, there are 40 feeding like one. 40 feeding like one means there are 40 cattle in the group. In that group only one cattle look like that. 40 cattle feeding like one. Yes, my dears. Once again I will read out the poem. See here. The cock is crowing, the stream is flowing, the small birds twitter, the lake The rhyming words are there. That is crowing, flowing, twitter, glitter, youngest, strongest, grazing, rising. These are the rhyming words. Important rhyming words. Note that one. Students, now the first stanza was completed. Now I will start the second stanza. Here the second stanza also consisted of 10 lines. Listen carefully. First I will read out the poem. Follow with me. Like an army defeated, the snow had retreated, and now the fair hill on the top of the bare hill. The ploughboy is whooping anon, anon. There's joy in the mountains, there's life in the fountains. Small clouds are sailing, blue sky prevailing. The rain is over and gone. Yes, see here. Like an army defeated, the snow had retreated. Like an army defeated means like the army battle or were lost. So here, like an army defeated, the snow had retreated. The poem is compared with the army with the snow because the snow was cold in the winter. Like that here, our army defeated. Army defeated means that army get the some. Yes, like an army defeated, the snow had retreated. Like an army defeated means here, army defeated means gaining a victory as defeat an army means gaining a wins by defeat an army. The snow hath retreated. The snow hath retreated means the snow has melted away. And retreated means that in winter season the whole landscape was covered with snow. Like that here the snow has melted away. And now doth fair on the top of the bare hill. See here, doth means I already said that an old English word for does. And now doth fair on the top of the bare hill. The ploughboy is whooping anon, anon. Anon means soon or shortly. Whooping, meaning of whooping is expressing joy. Expressing joy and excitement with a loud cry. Here the ploughboy is whooping like the anon, anon. Next, there is joy in the mountains. Joy means happiness in the mountains. The life in the fountains. Small clouds are sailing, blue sky prevailing. Small clouds are sailing, blue sky prevailing. Prevailing means gain victory or wins. Here blue sky or gain victory or wins. The rain is over and gone. Here the rain is come and go. The rain is over. And the poem also completed. See here, there is the some rhyming words. Defeated, retreated, hill, mountains, fountains, sailing, prevailing. These are the rhyming words related to your poem, A Beautiful Day. Yes, see here in your textbook. This is a cock. This is a mountains. There is a bridge and down the river. Cock are making sound here. See here in your textbook there is a one beautiful figure. Okay, my dear students, I hope you understand this poem. We will meet in the next class with the new chapter. Thank you.